Guys, wanna see that babe?
Oh yeah. Oh, but guy, who go check that babe now?
She's man see the babe boy, wetin dey worry?
Oh boy, I dey go track that babe.
Come back here.
Where they go? How be this now? Come, where you say they go?
Guys, here to solve this matter now, but we need to bet.
Bet wetin, comot abeg.
As it be now, but me I don't get money to bet too. But anybody want bet, but may bring the money now.
Wait. How much?
Made any money, bro? Say how much you
One
get?
more put 10k.
Bring her.
I did game.
Abi? Wait.
About me myself, I no get to. Me two of na run am abeg.
Oh boy, you no get way forward, man dey go.
But guy, come where they go now? Wait, we supposed to agree first. Who will first go now?
Oti, go first.
Me na she. This, fine girl, what's up now? Wetin is up? I don dey call you from that side, say wetin dey happen now? Stop now. Odidi dey go your own abeg.
I could love you overload, money for you overflow, overload. Anything you want, I'll give you overdose, no.
OGB! I hear you! OGB!
Yeah.
I hear you!
Babe, here. Now hustle with the hustle. Me and my guy will bet for your head, so I won't make you cooperate with me. When we finish this bet, I will just give you your cut. You know how it is on our bet, so we just we will play along. Yeah, but okay, I'm telling you.
You be the boss! I hear you!